Welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a big purchase or thinking about considering or consolidating in depth in 2025, this video is for you. Today we are diving into a full guide of how to take a loan from Bank of America step by step. Let's jump right in. First, know where your financial stand. Before applying, check your credit score. It's one of the biggest factors in getting approved for a loan. Next, ask yourself, why do you need the loan? Bank of America offers personal loans, auto loans, mortgages, and more. Choose that one best fits for your situation. Once you have decided, head over to the Bank of America website. It's your starting point to explore loan options. Found the right loan? Great. Now start the application online. It's fast, secure, and you don't even need to visit a branch. You'll need to provide key details like your personal info, employment, and income, how much you want to borrow. Take your time filling out the application. Mistakes can delay or even derail your approval. Once submitted, Bank of America will review your info, run a credit check, and might ask for extra documents. Make sure to respond quickly if they do. If you're approved, don't rush to celebrate just yet. Carefully review the loan terms, especially the interest rate and repayment schedule. Agree to the terms, then the funds are usually disbursed pretty fast. After that, it's all about smart money management. Make your payments on time to avoid penalties and keep your credit healthy. And if you ever get stuck, Bank of America's customer service is just a call or message away. Want more details? Check the links in the description below. If you have got questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so never miss a helpful tech tip. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.